Welcome to Grammar Avenue. Despite, in spite of. We use them to express something unexpected or surprising. Despite, and, in spite of, are always followed by a noun. Despite the price, she bought the new smartphone. Despite the age, she won the competition. In spite of the danger, she didn't seem nervous. It is very cold in spite of the sun. Despite the bad weather, we enjoyed our holidays. Tips and tricks. Use the phrase, the fact that, to transform a clause into a noun. Despite the fact that he lives in the UK, he doesn't like tea very much. In spite of the fact that he is old, he runs the marathon every year. Tips and tricks. Use the ing form of the verb to use it as a noun. Despite living in the UK, he doesn't like tea very much. In spite of being so old, he runs the marathon every year. Let's practice. Now it is your turn. Use the hints to write examples. There is more than one possible answer. Despite living in Spain, he doesn't like paella. Despite my recommendation, he decided to go there anyway. Despite his long experience, he can't find a better job. Despite all the hours of training, he couldn't win the competition. Despite his height, he can't play basketball. He walks to work in spite of the distance. It is 3 kilometers. Despite the amount of snow, we decided to go out. In spite of all the money he is not happy. In spite of the pain in his leg, he ran the marathon. Despite the fact that Mike has a good memory, he forgot her birthday. More exercises about despite and in spite of. Click here. This is Grammar Avenue.